Getting started here, I've gone ahead and laid out a 1/4 inch sheet of birch plywood here on my table, and I'm going to go ahead and find the center and give it a mark down the middle. And next up, I'm going to use basically just a yardstick that I've got some holes drilled in, and I'm going to go ahead and draw my radius. Now in this case, I've got a 32 and a 28-inch radius, I believe, and then I marked a couple inches on either side of that to get my total width. So, and I'm going ahead and just stick the pencil in there, give it a swing back and forth. Now I am going a little past 45 on both sides. This is a 90-degree template that I'm making. However, you can make them in whatever degrees you want. This is the same method you would use to make a helix, by the way. So now I'm using my speed square along with a long straight edge to go ahead and complete those lines. And again, this is just a 90-degree corner, so that makes it nice and easy. If it's another angle, you might have to do a little more math to do that. And then here I am using the same method to mark where the end of the 90-degree bend is and mark square on the ends just to get an idea. Now what I did find in this particular situation is that the ends are 36 inches long, and then the curved portion in the middle is about 4 feet. So that, with a couple extensions, gets me my total grade length for this project that I'm working on. And I'm not showing you the additions on this video, but it's basically just glue them on. Now what you see me doing here is I'm using a circular saw, and I just adjusted the height to just barely deeper than the plywood. And as you can see, it makes it really easy to cut curved lines with a circular saw. Obviously you can cut this with the jigsaw as well. This just happens to be what I was using because it's the quickest method I found and creates the most consistent curved cut. So if you have never done this before, please be patient and take your time doing this so you do not get hurt. And it's better to actually go shallower with the blade than it is to go deeper. If you go deeper, it can catch and potentially kick back on you. So if you've never done this before, take your time, go slow. So now I've got the shape cut down, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the ends square, and that's it. That is a template cut for the radius that I need. So I hope you found this useful. Now for the 4,000 subscriber winner. Let's go ahead and do this. Looks like Anthony Shipman is our winner. Don't forget, all you have to do is subscribe and comment for your chance to win. Thanks for watching.